Hi, Brian from CaliRod here, and in this video we're going to have a brief overview about all the electronic components that we offer and all the questions you need to ask yourself in order to successfully wire your hot rod. When wiring your vehicle, one of the first questions you're going to want to ask yourself is, do you want to run a master kill switch? The purpose of these switches is to kill all electrical current to the entire vehicle. This one here is a keyed option where you can turn it off and pull the key out. This is great for security reasons. The other option, you simply rotate left or right to turn it on and off, and are traditionally used on race cars. Now, before you go on to any other part of your electrical, make sure you figure out a solid place to mount this first, typically near the battery. If you're building your car from scratch, one thing you'll definitely need is an ignition switch. Our ignition switch does have an accessory. And another cool feature about it is that it has extra tabs in the back, so you can wire, let's say, a cigarette lighter or a cell phone charger directly to your ignition switch, which makes things a lot simpler. Another cool, more trick option is a keyless system. This is currently off, ignition on. This engages your starter relay, back to on, ignition off. These are commonly paired with our keyed master kill switch. This way, this key acts as your normal key and your security key. Unless you're building a race car, you're more likely going to have headlights. The two questions you're going to need to ask yourself is, do my headlights already have amber lights built into them? And do they have high beams built into them? More than likely, yes to both of those. Now, at CaliRod, we offer 3 different switches. This is the most standard setup, which is a 2-position switch. Everything's off now, amber lights, headlights. If you have high beams, you can run it with this switch, but that's going to be controlled by a dimmer switch on the floorboard that you usually just push with your left foot. Now, we have a trigger option that you can also purchase to get rid of that dimmer switch. We have a 3-position switch. Off, amber lights, headlights, high beams. A really cool option if you want to clean up your wiring and save a few bucks, so you have to purchase a separate switch. Maybe you have a 3-window or a 5-window with a dome light or some courtesy lights. This is a switch that you would want. Everything's off, amber lights, headlights. You still use the dimmer switch on the floor for your high beams, but this has a dome light that also controls your gauge lights, and those are dimmable as well. So depending on what type of setup you have, we have 3 different switches for whatever configurations you need. Now, if you're working or restoring on an older titled vehicle, you more than likely don't need turn signals nor have them. But if you're building a vehicle from the ground up and need to pass inspection in order to register it, you more than likely need turn signals. Now for that, we offer a really clean turn signal switch. This adapts to any steering column by the use of a hose clamp. It actually has a taper to the back of the actual lever to give you more clearance on your steering wheel. And there's a cool little green light in here that turns on with your amber lights for a subtle touch. Now, when it comes to turn signals, you'll likely need some LED indicator lights. Most commonly used are 2 green. When you turn on your left signal, left side starts blinking, right, and your relay does the job of making them blink. But we also offer them in blue, yellow, and red. Blue is often used to indicate that your high beams are on, yellow to indicate like a warning light, check engine light, and red when there is a battery charging system failure or some kind of issue. Now, if you're building a car from the ground up, it's very likely that you're going to need a horn in order to pass technical inspection and get it registered. For that, we offer a very clean, simple push switch that can be paired with our horn to give you just what you need to pass inspection and drive your car safely. Now, unless you have a Roadster, it's likely that you probably have a set of windshield wipers. For that, we have a 2-speed switch with low and high to power that motor for your windshield wipers. If you plan on running any accessories on your hot rod, maybe even wire your fuel pump to run independently, electric fan, or let's say even a fog lamp, we do have a simple 1-position on-off switch. This is off, on, back off again to power those accessories. Now, just in case you're wondering, all of our knobs are interchangeable with all of our switches, and all of our bezels are also interchangeable, except with our standard GM style switch. Although you still get the Art Deco bezel, this has a threaded male end that could also be unscrewed and replaced with an actual standard GM style bezel. So there you have it. Those are the basic questions and things you need to know before wiring your hot rod. If you have any questions, especially on our products, feel free to send us a direct message, an email, or check out the product pages.